Another major usage of reference window is to provide reference frequency for frequency matching of RPM-related signal component, such as 6N. For example, let's drag around this time with high RPM to select the analysis time and generate the PSD. Also turn on matching. The resulting PSD will show frequency matching of all major spectral components, such as N1, 2N1, 8N2, and 6N1. Such frequency matching is based on cross-reference of all the peak frequency in PSD to the RPM. N1 and N2 in reference window during the current analysis time frame.